Hi guys, I'm back, and we're gonna do another Dutch pour. The only difference is that I was thinking when I did the cloud pour, I wonder what would happen if we used the enamel mixed into the white, if it would have any effect once the colors get blown out. So I just had a teeny tiny bit of the enamel left, so I just mixed it into my white, and we're gonna see if anything, if it makes any kind of difference at all. I've got my palette knife sitting there just because it does not like focusing on this particular solid white canvas. So we're going to put just a little bit of, we'll put the cobalt down first. And then this pretty portrait pink. That was metallic cobalt blue. This is portrait pink. And this is green yellow. All three of these are from Artist Loft. The enamel I speak of was from Folk Art. It is the gloss enamel. A little bit more cobalt blue down there. Okay. Shh. Door. Shh. Lay down, buddy. Okay. Let's see. Let's put just a hint more of this down. And maybe a hint more green. And then maybe a touch more cobalt. Okay, that's enough. So now we're going to pour the white over it. My canvas is already wet white. I went ahead and did that before I turned the camera on because it's really boring to watch. We're going to go all the way around it. Because not only do you want your white to go back this way, you want it to sort of flow into the colors on this side too, I think. Anyway, okay, everybody close your ears. Okay, I think I've got a little bit too much force in my, see, I took this and I had it taped, I taped it across here to make a smaller, but I think I like it better with it open all the way. But this is okay. It needs a little bit of work, I think. Just a little bit of interest. I have like a bird head right here, the beak and an eyeball, so I had to get rid of that. Oh, I would say let's get our straw, but I seem to have lost it. Okay, on the floor. And have sort of step back and look at it. I don't know, it's kind of, I don't like these kind of lines here, so let's see what we can do. Sort of feather it out a little bit, maybe. I'm thinking. I like this, but it's like disjointed from that. Let's see what happens if we sort of bring some of it down a little bit. Oops, maybe not. Let's get rid of that bird beak over there. I don't like that. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. That's getting better. This needs to come out. Maybe this needs to go. I'm not really sure about this yet. I don't know. This is really bothering me, and that kind of needs to go this way. We're getting there. I'm liking it better now. It's a little more balanced. This, I think, something, I really don't know about this. I need some white down here or something. Trying to see. If we took that color away right there. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, let's look at it from this angle. See, I like this. It needs to be like shifted this way a little bit. That needs to really go off. I think that side. It would help this down here. Okay. I don't know. This really is, I can't figure out what to do with it. I don't know. Let me step back. Just stand up and see what you guys are seeing. Maybe that'll help. I don't know. I'm almost thinking it needs to be left. I still feel like it's really unbalanced. But I kind of like it like this. It looks like a spirit. Like this is the top of the spirit and like hair going off this way and flowing. I still feel like this needs to be empty space, I think. I think we're going to scrape that off and pour white into that. Sorry, guys. It's just not working for me right there. So let's put a little more white down. See if that'll help. I don't want any of that white to have the green in it. Okay, now we need to see what we can kind of do with that corner. Nope. I don't want to do that. Let's see. Maybe blowing in off that direction will help. Okay, let's see. Let's look at that. That's a little better. Of course, now this is bothering me up here, but oops, drag my finger through it, or my straw. There we go. Always fix it with some white. Okay. There we go. Okay. I think we're going to leave it like that. We'll leave our spirit alone, probably. Probably, I say that, but then I'll turn the camera off and it will be bothering me. I must have stuck my finger in it right there. Okay, let's torch it and see if the enamel will have any effect. It's not looking like it so far, but it'll dry a little shinier, at least the white part will. This still feels like it needs to do that or something. But I'm afraid to take the blow dryer to it. I kind of want to, but I'm afraid to. It's just not quite perfect. But let's see. Let's see what you guys are seeing. Well, okay. I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it. We're going to leave it. And I'd get you down. Well, might as well get you down. Okay, well, the enamel had really no effect that I can see at the moment. I love the way the green and metallic cobalt blue sort of mixed together, very pretty. That's where we kind of blew out that edge. And that one, I don't know. It's going to be hard leaving that one alone once I turn the camera off, but I'll try. Alright, not a lot of excitement to see here. It's pretty though. Okay, well this is where I'm going to leave you for today. There's your pretty for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope my head wasn't in the way too much. I still really can't decide which direction I like it in. It's very off balance, which bothers me, but that's okay. I want to thank all my sponsors, my donors to my channel, all of my subscribers, and everyone who supports me in all the different ways that you do. And if you want to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is below. Check out my website. It's got a lot of new stuff on it. And please watch the ads. That's how I get ad revenue, which is hopefully going to pay for my house. Long story, but I'll bore you with that another time. So yeah, check out my website, and yeah, that's it. Wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. See you later. Bye.